Imagine a world where the internet didn't exist, where your computer could only talk to other computers in your own house, but never to a friend across the street. Believe it or not, this is exactly how the crypto world looked for years. Powerful blockchains were like lonely islands, rich and secure, but completely isolated. If you had money on one, you were stuck there. But then, one project changed everything. They didn't just build another island, they built the bridges. Today, we are talking about Cosmos and the Atom token. Is this the project that finally unites crypto, and does it have the potential to make you money? To understand Cosmos, think of it as the internet of blockchains. In the past, if you wanted to build a crypto application, you had to build it on top of Ethereum. It's like living in a crowded apartment building. You have to follow the landlord's rules, and when it gets busy, the rent, or gas fees, gets expensive. Cosmos solves this. It gives developers a toolkit called the Cosmos SDK. Instead of renting an apartment on Ethereum, developers can build their own sovereign house, their own blockchain, completely free from high fees and congestion. But here's the magic, and the part that makes Cosmos special. It's called IBC, or Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol. Remember those lonely islands? IBC is the universal language that lets them talk. It allows a blockchain like Cronos to send data to Osmosis or Injective instantly. This vision is massive. Cosmos isn't trying to be the one winner, it's trying to be the port where everyone meets. This solves the biggest problem in crypto: fragmentation. Cosmos envisions a future where you don't even know which blockchain you're using. It just works, connected in the background. Now, does Atom have investing potential? Here's the honest truth you need to know. The Cosmos technology is incredibly popular. Huge projects like DYDX and Binance Chain were built using Cosmos tech. However, the Atom token itself has faced a challenge. Just because people use the tech doesn't always mean they must use the Atom token. But the potential lies in inter-chain security. New updates aim to make the Atom the security guard for other chains, allowing Atom stakers to earn rewards from multiple projects, not just one. If the ecosystem grows and they choose Atom for security, the value flows to you. In summary, Cosmos is betting that the future is many blockchains working together, not just one ruling them all. I'm Sina, and I'm trying to grow this channel and help others like me. If my video helped you, like and subscribe for more simply explained and high-quality videos. Also, leave a comment to boost my motivation, and remember that if you want to know what are the best crypto altcoins that you can invest in right now and their potential, check out the playlist and video you see on the screen. Love you guys. See you in the next video.